Good morning, friends. We are here again in road trip. This time it's in Central Coast. And we are... Oh, it's boiling, babe. We are... I'm cooking... No, 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 no. I am cooking... Oh, cooking, boiling water for our coffee. And now I will be cooking my banana.
Homegrown banana.
Homegrown banana. Oh my God, baby, you put it. It will melt. See, this is my homegrown banana. The another variety of banana, because I have two varieties of bananas, and they were ripe in the tree. We just harvest them yesterday before coming here, and I will be frying it. Same with the eggs, with onions, with capsicum, and with homegrown again, cherry tomatoes. Okay. This is the banana now, cooking nicely, and coffee. Oh God, there are few campers here too, cooking in this beautiful place.
It is a good place.
It's a good place with this tree, and with that, it's so magulo na ban, but we're enjoying it. I am enjoying it so much. Good morning. It's a bit burned, but it's okay. Okay. Okay, that's my omelette. Oh, cooking. Where's my food? This one. Cooking. The tomatoes.
One went underneath.
Is it?
You'll be able to get it later.